there? Okay, so like I said earlier, we're going to continue to focus on each one of these a little bit more in detail. So we're going to work on rhyme again because it's really important to understand what rhyme means. So let's get started. Rhyme. Words in a poem that have the same ending sound. These words are usually found at the end of a line in the poem. Usually, not all the time, but usually. Okay, so here's an example. It's different than yesterday's. I have the word flat and bat. Flat and bat. We saw the at, right? The sound that we're hearing on both of these words is at. Flat and bat rhyme because of the at. Okay? So the next thing I'd like to do is go ahead and go over some words. Thumbs up for yes, they rhyme. Thumbs down for no, they don't rhyme. Okay? And kind of mix them up. So we have the word red, like the color, red. So we're focusing on the ed, okay? Ed sound. Does red rhyme with yam? Red yam. This has an at the end. This has ed at the end. Do they rhyme? Thumbs up or down? No, they don't rhyme. Nope. Does red rhyme with fed? Red, fed. Yeah, they both have the ed at the end, right? The ed sound at the end. They do rhyme. Okay, what about the word ham? Does ham, focusing on the am sound, am, does ham rhyme with the word yam? Ham, yam. Yes, they do rhyme. They both have am at the end, right? Good job. All right, what about the word job? Job. Does job rhyme with the word rip? Job, rip. Thumbs up or down? They do not rhyme. Nope. But does job rhyme with dip? Job, dip. Do they rhyme? No, still don't rhyme. Looking for the right one. What about job and bob? Do job and bob rhyme? They do rhyme. Yes, thumbs up. They rhyme because they both have the ob sound at the end. Job, bob. Okay? Please notice I have a capital B here. Why do you think I have a capital B for the word bob? Because it's somebody's name. So we are gonna start the first letter off with a capital. Okay? All right. Couple more. Dip. Does dip, ip, rhyme with tag? Dip, tag. Thumbs up or down? Down. Nope. Dip and tag do not rhyme. What about dip and the word rip? Do dip and rip rhyme? Your thumb should be up. We're focusing on the ip. See the IP in both of them? Dip and rip. They both rhyme. Dip, rip. All right, that was just a little warm up to kind of get us going with our rhyming. The next thing I want to do is another drag and drop, which you're going to be helping me with, all right? So it says rhyme it. So this is a picture of a, what do you think it is? Jet. I know some of you might have said plane, but we're focusing on the word jet. Can you say the word jet? Good. All right, so remember, when we rhyme, we're focusing on the ending sound of a word. We're looking for words that rhyme with jet. So what's the sound at the end of jet that we're focusing on? Et. We're focusing on words that have et in them, okay? So let me go over these different examples, and then you're going to help me place the correct two right here, okay? So this is a picture of a map, a net, net, bat, and a vet. I know it's hard to see, but it's a picture of a vet. It's a person with a dog. All right, so let's get started. So this is a map. So I'm going to split up the word into app, map. Okay? Does map rhyme with jet? Thumbs up or down? Jet, map. Let's put it over here. This one does not rhyme with jet. What about net? Et, net. Does net rhyme with jet? Net, jet. Thumbs up or down? Thumbs up. It does rhyme. Good job. That right there. All right, what about the word bat? Let's split it up. Bat. Bat. Does bat rhyme with jet? Jet, bat. Bat, jet. What do you think? Thumbs up or down? No, that doesn't rhyme. It does have a T at the end, but it has bat. So we're focusing on the at. At. And this one's focusing on the et. So at and et. Different sounds. What about vet? Et. Vet. We're focusing on the et. So et, vet, and jet. Jet, vet. Does that rhyme? Thumbs up or down? That does rhyme. Good job. Okay. Good job. All right. So jet, net, vet. Those all rhyme. Let's do one more together, okay? So, see a little arrow? This is a picture of a fin. In. We're focusing on the in sound for this. The in sound is the sound we're trying to rhyme with, okay? So let's go over these. This is a pin. Pin, not a pen that you write with. A pin. A bat. I know this is a tricky one. I had to think about this. It's grin. This little girl is grinning. She's smiling. Grin is another word for smiling. So grin. And then we have rat. Okay? So remember, we're focusing on the in sound. We're trying to find words that rhyme with fin, the in sound. So does pin and fin rhyme? Pin, fin. Yes or no? Yes, pin does rhyme with fin. Pin has the in sound. So that one does work. Okay. The next one is bat. Bat. Does bat and fin rhyme? Do they have the same sounds at the end of the word? No, they don't. Bat has the at sound. So that one doesn't rhyme with fin because we're looking for the in sound. Okay, here's that little girl with the grin. Remember, smile. Grin. Does grin and fin rhyme? Thumbs up or down? They do rhyme. Grin has the in sound, and fin also has the in sound. So they do rhyme. Okay, the next one is rat. Does rat rhyme with fin? Thumbs up or down? Up or down? No, rat does not rhyme with fin. Rat has the at sound at the end of the word, and fin has the in sound. And we're looking for words that have the in sound. So that one does not rhyme. All right, I hope you liked today's little review over rhyming words. Okay,